Hey Russell fam, in today's video I am doing a collaboration about our afternoon routine. Be back in just a second.
Hi, my name is Becky with Russell's Loving Life. If you are new to our channel, welcome. We are so glad you are here. I am a homeschooling mom of 2 and I have been homeschooling since 2012. In our YouTube channel, you will see all things mom related, cooking, homeschooling, homeschool tips, and everything in between. We also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. On our blog, I talk about tips and tricks that I have learned through my years of homeschooling that I want to share with you. We also have an email list, so make sure you sign up for that. I like to send out emails. I promise I will not bombard you with them. I try to send out one email a week, and sometimes I send out coupon codes or discount codes for some of my affiliates. We also have a homeschool store. And you can click on the link down in the description box below. There are curriculums that I have used. There are school supplies at discount prices and all things that you will need for homeschooling. If you are a returning Russell fam, I am so glad you are back.
Okay, in today's video, we are participating in a collaboration, which is Afternoon Routines, which is hosted by Rachel at Day to Day Joys. Thank you, Rachel, for hosting this afternoon routine collaboration. Our afternoon routine pretty much consists of being at Tiger Rock. Most days I feel like a taxi driver. I am driving the kids from the house on these roads to Tiger Rock, and from Tiger Rock on these roads back home. Comment below if you feel like a taxi driver on most days. That is where Bailey and Becca both take martial arts classes. And on Mondays, they both have class. On Tuesdays, it is just Bailey. On Wednesdays, they both have class. Thursday is just Becca. And Friday, they both have class. And we do not do classes on Saturday. That is our day that we work on our STEM project, which is a clubhouse we are currently building. And I will leave that video up here in the iCard. So most of our afternoon routine is made up of being here at Tiger Rock, but we also run errands. After we get done with schoolwork and the kids have lunch, they like to go outside and play golf, ride bikes, and just find fun activities to do outside. Thanks again to Rachel for hosting this collaboration. Make sure to check out the playlist down in the description box below. There will be lots of other homeschool moms and other moms that are sharing their afternoon routines. Some may be related to homeschool and some may not. As always, remember to be careful, be kind, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.